Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nay. Please stay tuned. This is a special episode. You're gonna not only see how I did this awesome braid out, but you're gonna see how NaturAll Club's all natural deep conditioners worked in my hair. And you're gonna get an opportunity to win their products so you can do the same thing at home. And I'm gonna give you a coupon code. I'm gonna help you save some coins. Stay tuned and watch so you can see. Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nay. So I have an opportunity to collaborate with NaturAll Club. The big deal about this company, or the thing that I really like about NaturAll Club out the gate, I don't know anything about the product because I haven't opened the box yet. But what I liked from what I researched on them is that when I say this is natural, these products are avocado based. Put it to you like this. I mentioned before that one of the only ways to be able to really get your products and know that the products that you're using in your hair are all natural is to get in your kitchen and make them. And the owner of this company got in her kitchen and made products. And the stuff that she sent me is out of somebody's kitchen. Not literally, like they have a lab. The thing comes cold. Like I had to keep it in my refrigerator. That's how you know this thing is real. When you gotta put the product in your refrigerator so it'll keep, that's all natural. So we gonna open this box up. I'm telling you, I'm excited. Woo! Dun, 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 dun. All right, so I have my little packet. It says, hi there, beautiful. I'm beautiful. It says, welcome. What's in my box? I have the deep conditioner, hair serum, a hair cap, a hair tie, and the spray bottle. I get a spray bottle? Let me see. Let me find out. They give me a little spray bottle. This must be the information sheet. I got a little shower cap. And this is what we need to get our hands on here. I had their deep conditioner. And considering the fact that my hair is color treated and I've been dealing with a little bit of the damage from the color treatment and the press, I have the damaged hair solution. There's three kinds. There's the dull, the dry, and the damaged. Listen, just because we collaborated don't mean I'm not gonna be honest. If it don't work for me, I'ma tell you. Oh, and I get a little elastic hair tie. All right, so I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then I'm gonna come back with my hair all wet and conditioned and clean, and we're going to get into it, honey.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. So I'm back. My hair is thoroughly drenched. And now it's time to use this NaturAll Damaged Hair Solution Deep Conditioner. We are all sectioned, and now it is time for the moment of truth. So let's start with spritzing with a little water. Okay, it's a good little spray bottle. All right, I see. Let's crack this thing open. All right. Oh. This looks like guacamole. Okay, so it has a pleasant smell. It smells clean. I think I'm smelling the tea tree oil. No, I'm smelling the lavender. That's what I'm smelling. So it smells good. This thing is thick. All right, here we go. All right. Oh. Okay. So this is really thick. Oh, it's just slides. This stuff really just, oh. Okay, so wait. So I've seen the videos online where people be like, oh my God, this is lit for my hair. It's got so much slip. But no, they not lying. Look at the curls already. Oh, look at the curls. Like I can already see. Okay, now this is different. This is different for me. To already see my curls starting to form up and pop out like that. Now I'm gonna take my fly tooth comb, because I normally comb my deep conditioner through. Starting from the, ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're gonna make me cuss. I'm gonna have to get up on the camera so y'all can see this. Can you see? This look like I just put secret sauce on it. Do you see how the, honey? Ha! Okay, NaturAll. I think it's interesting because oddly enough, I'm allergic to avocados. I'm just allergic when I ingest them. Like I can hold them and put them in my hands, but I've got to say that so far, so good. Yo, I don't think I could deep condition with this once a week. I think it would be too much. Like I see why they say do this once every 2 weeks. This look like a wet and wavy wig. The way the curls are starting to come out. Look at this. This stuff, yo. This look like I done put, the curls are starting to pop like I done put gel on. What is going on? Yo, do y'all see this? No, I gotta get up close again. Do you see this, yo? I'm impressed. Ha! I'm never able to do that, honey. I can't wait till my husband get home so I could show him this. I wish he was here.
Eventually.
I'm about to sit up. I can't wait to sit up under this dryer and see what my hair look like when I take this stuff off. I'm so excited.
Six hours later.
I'm back. I let it sit for about 25 minutes under the dryer. I would just like to say that reading is so fundamental. You know this little instruction pamphlet that I just kind of skimmed over earlier? Yeah, so if I had really read this, I would have realized that I technically should have shampooed and conditioned after I applied the deep conditioner. So I went ahead and I shampooed and conditioned again. So next is to go into the styling process. Now I'm not going to use my normal leave-in. I'm not going to use my secret sauce. I'm going to just stick with the products that they gave. I'm going to take, they said a dime size, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the serum. I'm just gonna do a braid out, just braid it. All right, hey guys, I'm done. So I've done the entire head. And this serum, this leave-in serum that I have is so light. So I'm really interested to see what this is gonna look like in the morning. I am going to go sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes. If I got time, I'm gonna catch me a movie. Yes, honey, out here looking like Felicia.
Tomorrow.
So it's time to see what this NaturAll deep conditioner and serum did. So I'm gonna put a little bit of secret sauce in the palm of my hands just to eliminate any frizz. Hello, definition. How are you? It's nice to meet you. Look, these crinkles, this is, okay. All right, so we've taken all the braids out. This is probably the most defined braid out I've ever had.
"12 seconds later.
All right, guys, so final look. Braid out using NaturAll's Damaged Hair Solution Deep Conditioner and leave-in serum. This is the, by far and large, the best deep conditioner I've ever used, ever. The consistency, the way it felt in my hair, what it did to my hair, the fact that I had this much curl definition, this little frizz, was simply using a deep conditioner and that really lightweight serum is ridiculous. I am a fan. NaturAll Club, girl, call me because I'm gonna need some more product. I'm still blown away. I didn't do LOC, I didn't do a LCO, I didn't really pre-poo, I didn't do any of that extra stuff that I had to do. I just simply used their deep conditioner. I'm in love with it. I really enjoyed the results that I got from this product. If you liked what you saw, go to www.NaturAll, that's NaturAll Club.com. Go to their site, take the assessment test, see what kind of hair solution they think will work for you, and order some products if you want. And when you do that, so we have a Naturally Nay giveaway. My partnership with NaturAll, they've been so gracious to supply one of my viewers their own free gift box, so you can get the same thing that I got and try it at home for yourself. You just got to do a couple things. One, you have to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, what you waiting on? Second thing is you have to follow me on one of my social media outlets. If you are on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at Naturally Nay. If you're on Facebook, follow me there at I am Naturally Nay. Or if you're on Instagram, you can follow me at Naturally Nay Pics. And then there's a link below. There'll also be a link on my social media outlets that you follow where you can go and just give me your name, your email address, and you'll be placed on a list where I can randomly pick a winner to receive the same box that we've gotten today. In 2 weeks, I'll do a drawing and I'll do it live on my social media, probably on Instagram, and then I'll post a video just to let you know who won. And if you just can't wait, you don't want to wait 2 weeks, you want to go order it now because it was that bomb, trust me, I'm gonna go order some now. You can use my coupon. I got a coupon code for you girls. Just go and give them Naturally Nay. You'll get an extra 10% off. Thanks, and I hope you watch again. See you later.